Hello friends, I welcome all of you to my this video tutorial. Today we will learn how to make Power BI page animated. So let me take you to the video that we will be using as an animation page for my Power BI. I hope you have seen the video. Let's create an animation of this video and we will use that animation for or in our Power BI report page. So here I am using this website to convert my video to a GIF. So let me first upload that video. This is the video. You can take any video that you have and simply click on upload video. Our video has been uploaded. Let's click on here, convert to GIF. If you can see over here, it has converted the video into a GIF. We will use this as an animated page for our Power BI report. Let's click on save. As you can see, it is downloading. Let's go to the Power BI report page. This is a blank page. Let's add that GIF to the background of the page. Go to background, then click on add image, then go to your downloads or wherever you have saved the GIF, and as you can see, it's running. Make sure you make the transparency to 0. In the image fit, click on either fill or fit. So once you do it, and now if you can see, we are getting the animation in the page. If you wish to add something in the page, you can do it. It is not going to stop the animation from running. Let's say I add a simple card. So see, my animation is still running. So with this, we have achieved the result. I hope you like the video. If you want more such content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my LinkedIn group. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining in.